Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice dresser and nightstand that we're going to redo. So subscribe, follow along as we turn this into something pretty nice. Alright, step one is going to be to remove all the hardware. As we're pulling the drawers out, we'll be able to determine how the frame looks, make sure all the drawers function right, and then we can start progressing to the sanding. So, sounds like we got some construction next door or something, but what we're going to do is get these handles off, and then we can make our own noise with a little bit of our sanding of our own. Alright, everything's stripped out of it. Everything looks good here. Now what we're going to do is just go over it, sand it real nice. Some of those areas we're just going to smooth out, clean up as much as we can before we clean this entire piece out, vacuum it out, and then we can start applying the paint. So I think we're going to go a dark navy blue on this one, but my wife will pick that out when she sees it sanded down and gets the final verdict. I just do all the hard labor here. So let's get the sanding before she gets mad at me for talking too much. So let's begin. Next level. Next level. Alright, we are to the point that we can paint. We've vacuumed it out, we've wiped it down, and it looks horrible because of all the sanding and all. But what we're going to do is now we're going to add a navy blue to it. How cool is that color? So I've been pretty excited about this all day. Got my brush, I got some water, I got my phone out here just in case my wife calls and I have to pick up. But we're going to start with the drawers and then we'll work on the frame. So let's begin. And I have a dog out here that might even want to help. Do you want a brush? No? Okay, let's go. Check out the transformation. Dark navy blue, completed on an 8-drawer dresser and a 3-drawer nightstand. What a difference I think it made. How about you guys? What do you guys think? Subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll get this piece up for sale here today.